Hey designers, you're watching the series on how to apply graphic designing principles to your designs. In this video, we're gonna look at emphasis. Emphasis is defined in many different ways, but I'm gonna show you how it works in design term. Here's an example. So in this design, I have used three color, white, yellow, and black. The white I have used for text and for the important information, and yellow for the pattern. But you wanna give life to the design, we can just change the single shape to white, which connects the text over here. That is one kind of emphasis you can use for your designs. It doesn't mean you should use only shapes for emphasis. You can do it with text as well, like in this design, by making all letters same and just one letter different, so that you'll create focus to it. Same way, changing a color also works. You can use emphasis to images as well, like this building, how they have used a color to get focus, which grabs people's attention. Finally, to keep it simple, look at this image. We're getting easy focus here. Because of the elements around it, it plays an important role. The elements around it guides the audience to focus to the main element. Let me know in the comments if you have any doubts. See you all, have a great day.